Hey guys, it's me, Willow, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to use a manifestation box in one simple, easy way. So, the three things you're going to need is a box of any kind. I like to use this little treasure chest that I painted last night, actually, as I'm recording this on the 4th of August. A piece of paper, and a pen. Any size box works as well. It doesn't have to be big, it doesn't have to be small, it can be medium, large, small, any size. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to write down your intention on a piece of paper, and it can be anything from ranging like I want to get more sleep, I want to spend less time on my phone, I want to spend less time on the internet, anything like that. You can even use fortune cookies, which I thought was really cool. I read that online. And yeah, just put your little fortune cookies in here. So then you're gonna place your intention in your box, and you're gonna say it out loud or think about it in your mind, and you can fill this with as many different intentions as you would like. So basically, when you're ready, you take the slip of paper out. And this is best to do on a new moon or a full moon. And you want to take the paper out and you will burn it. And you're going to visualize the intentions coming to a reality. And you can also use it to project energy out into the world, sending vibes of love, gratitude, and even protection to others. And another great way to amplify your intentions is to add crystals or herbs, stuff like that, to intensify the manifestation. So, for example, crystals. If you want to do self-love, do rose quartz. Same with anything with love. Rose quartz. Use rose quartz and rosemary. At least I'm pretty sure rosemary does love. I don't know the herbs off the top of my head, but I'm pretty sure. So yeah. So all you need is a box, pen, paper, and some intentions, and pop them in here. Wait for the full moon, burn them, and just imagine, and you're pretty much good. If you would like a certain video on certain something, let me know in the comments below, and I will do my best to make it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.